In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit files in Bitbucket. Start by signing into your Bitbucket account. Once you are signed in, open the workspace that contains the repository you want to work with. After that, select the correct repository from the list. This will take you to the main repository view, where you can manage files and review project content. Next, click Source to open the file browser for that repository. In the Source section, you will see the folders and files stored in the project. Browse through the repository until you find the file you want to edit. When you locate it, click the file name to open it and view its current contents. With the file open, click the Edit button. This will switch the file into editing mode, so you can make changes directly in Bitbucket. Carefully update the text or code as needed. Make sure your edits are accurate and complete before moving on. After making your changes, take a moment to review everything. Read through the file and confirm that the updates are correct. This is a good time to catch any typing mistakes, formatting issues, or missing changes before you save the file. Once you are satisfied with the edits, enter a commit message. Your commit message should clearly describe what you changed, so the update is easy to understand later. This helps keep the repository history organized and makes collaboration easier for anyone else working on the project. Next, choose the branch where you want to save the changes. If you are updating the current branch, confirm that it is the correct one. If needed, select a different branch based on your workflow. This is important because your changes will be committed directly to the branch you choose. After that, click Commit to save the edited file. Bitbucket will process the change and create a new commit in the selected branch. Wait a moment for the commit to complete. Once it is finished, you can return to the file view and verify that the updated version appears with your latest changes in place. Checking the file after the commit helps confirm that everything's saved correctly and that the repository now reflects your update. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.